Hi, my Beko Dishwasher, DWD5414, seems to be stuck in a loop. When I start a program, it drains, sounds like it is filling and then stops. It will then wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and then do the same thing. Nothing is washed or wet, although water does enter it, and the powder tablet drawer is open. Any ideas as to how to fix this?
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
It is a Beko DWD5414, and I can't find any docs on how to run a test cycle.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it is simple, I can do it myself. I've done basic plumbing and electrics, but I also worry that it could get more complex, in which case I will rely on someone else.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I was wondering if it should be heating the water when it comes in, as my energy meter is not showing any increase in usage. I seem to remember that running the dishwasher showed a few hundred watts being used, so wondered if it could be the heater being faulty.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. Once it's filled with water, if you listen very carefully at the bottom, do you hear a slight humming noise coming from there?
Hi, I don't hear any noise coming from the bottom. I have recorded the sounds I do hear. The whining is the cold water non-return valve making a noise in the cupboard next to where the dishwasher is. I've taken the side panels off and I can see some water movement, but definitely no noise after the initial full up.
Thanks for the recording. I can hear from that it just fills up and then stops, and Therese, nothing else happening. What can cause this is the flow meter. This is the sensor that picks up the flow of water in there. What you need to do is, with the side panel off, look in the bottom left corner and you will see the flow meter there. It's round and has two hoses going to it, one from the water inlet valve and one to the filling tank. Remove the flow meter and blow hard through it and then refit it and retry it and see how it goes from there. Let me know how it goes.
Super. It was a bit fiddly to get the spring clips off, but managed, then blew through it, sounded like an old whistle. Put back together and now my dishwasher is washing. Thank you.
Nice one. Hopefully this will be fine, but if it fails again then it will need a new flow meter. But fingers crossed this cures the fault from there now.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.